Welcome to our channel. If you're traveling internationally, follow these step-by-step instructions to use bank cards abroad without excessive fees. Step 1. Research your bank's foreign transaction fees before traveling. Most banks charge 1 to 3% on international purchases, but some cards have no foreign transaction fees. Step 2. Apply for a credit card with no foreign transaction fees, specifically for travel. Cards designed for internationals save significant money on purchases abroad. Step 3. Notify your bank of travel plans to prevent fraud blocks. Provide dates, destinations, and contact information so legitimate foreign charges aren't flagged as fraud. Step 4. Use ATMs to withdraw local currency instead of exchanging cash at airports. ATM exchange rates are typically better, though you'll pay ATM fees. Step 5. Withdraw larger amounts less frequently to minimize ATM fees. Instead of multiple small withdrawals, take out enough cash for several days in one transaction. Step 6. Choose to be charged in local currency when using cards abroad. Declining dynamic currency conversion avoids poor exchange rates and additional conversion fees. Step 7. Use credit cards instead of debit cards when possible for better fraud protection. Credit cards offer stronger consumer protections for disputed international charges. Step 8. Keep your bank's international customer service numbers accessible. Save collect call numbers you can use from abroad if your card is lost, stolen, or blocked. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.